In this sample story, the mechanical engineer finds a new change task in their list of outstanding work. Engineering change orders in Autodesk Vault provide detailed information and link to affected items and files. The change request in this sample will impact the bill of material. The direct view into the BOM also helps to gain insights into the impact of a change. The view's markup capabilities enrich the information. The related design files of this task are exclusively 2D legacy data. One of the great values of the mechanical toolset compared with plain AutoCAD is managing components, component structure, and bill of materials. Autodesk Vault integrates bidirectionally with these object-oriented 2D CAD BOMs. Legacy drawings with mechanical part references or bill of material map with the Vault default settings to complete item BOMs. Vault can be configured to support customized mechanical BOM settings as well. Any information related to this drawing we reviewed before is also available within AutoCAD Vault. The same applies to the copy design environment. We start a copy to create a new variant instead of changing the existing one. We can apply predefined copy design rules to reset or write new property values for the drawing and the title block. Right after the design change, our engineer reviews the drawing bill of material and removes the existing item numbers for the new parent assembly and the base plate. We can leave these two fields blank. In doing so, we enforce the Vault item assignment to provision new numbers for the new parent assembly and the gripper plate component. Vault completed the engineering BOM with new items and reused all the other items from the original drawing. An update of the drawing synchronizes the new item numbers into the CAD BOM table and other properties in the title blocks or revision tables. All changes are done, and we are ready to release the new assembly variant. Back in the Vault client, we link the latest drawing to the ECO we previously started from. We will notify all stakeholders of subsequent actions by commenting on the workflow transition for the change order.